Christmas. Welcome to my home. Come on in. Hi guys, Merry Christmas. Happy Vlogmas Day, technically 26th. It is the 25th day of December and it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So Keith and I have already had a full day. We went to breakfast to my son's house. We had a wonderful breakfast. We got to watch the girls open gifts and we got to see what Santa brought for them. So seeing Christmas through a child's eye is so magical, and for me it's what Christmas is all about. It brings me back to the times when my children were young, and that's just a magical time for children. So just watching them, and they believe in Santa Claus, showing me all the things that Santa Claus brought for them, it's just so special. And we have had a wonderful Christmas, and things have kind of changed a little bit because Keith and I for many years would just get up on Christmas morning and open the presents that we bought for each other. But now, because the family has changed, we kind of had to change our traditions. So we are going to open the gifts that we gave for each other, and I'm very thankful, you guys, for my family, health, and I just have a wonderful life, and I don't take any of it for granted. I thank you all for being here and supporting me through Vlogmas. I have enjoyed your comments and commenting back to you. I just really have. You guys are a big part of my life, and I really appreciate you for being here for me, because if you weren't watching me, then I wouldn't be here, because it is so much more than just staring into a monitor and talking. I actually am talking to people who I've gotten to know. Over the past 3 years, I've made friendships that are lasting friendships that mean a lot to me, and I'm very thankful, as I said, for my family, but also for my friends and for all of you. And I just want to say Merry Christmas to all of you. Happy New Year. And we have a couple of days of Vlogmas left because we are doing an extra Vlogmas day. Autumn, Winnie, Gwenny, and I will be opening our gifts from each other. So we're going to share that with you. And I'm very happy that you guys all seem to really enjoy Vlogmas. I've had wonderful comments, wonderful feedback. It was my very first year of Vlogmas. Last year I did a few days. I couldn't keep it up, but it's been wonderful. It's been a wonderful experience. So with that, I just want to say Merry Christmas. I love you all. Thank you for everything that you have given me.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy
Okay guys, it's Prezi opening time. I'm so excited. Woo! I have on my Christmas jammies, and I have my gifts from Keith, and also gifts from his brother and his wife. And then I have all of my YouTube gifts here. I am so excited, you guys. There's Keith's gifts, and I already got my nail bracelet, but here's some gifts from Keith and his family. And there's all my YouTube prezzies. I just can't wait, you guys. This is so exciting. So it's 1 o'clock, and I'm not really used to waiting for delayed gratification, but I think it's kind of cool. I think it's kind of cool. I invite you guys to share in our festivities.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas, you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're in your jammies. I hope you have lots of alcohol. I hope you're having a wonderful time.
Merry Christmas.